How to contact Whizz customer care. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to contact Whizz customer care. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So as you can see, now I'm in my Whizz account. There I have all my transactions and so on. And on top of my screen to the right I have my name, my username. So if I click on it, I can see my details, settings, and the third option is the help center. Okay, I'm gonna click on it. Here the first option is to explore all topics. Perhaps you're having some issues with sending money or managing your account. By now I'm going to have like an option of receiving money. And there you have more details about it. So perhaps receiving money basics, using your account details. I'm going to receiving money basics, and I don't know how much does it cost to receive large amounts into my account. If I go in, I'm going to receive all info. At the end there is an option, was this article helpful? I can click on yes or no, some other related articles, and that's it. But if perhaps you're looking into all these options and submenus and you still don't have any help, you can scroll down a little and there's an option, still need help, contact us. If I go click on it, I can get some other options. So perhaps holding, receiving money and stocks, and I don't know, I'm waiting to receive money. So I have another, I don't know, like help, but I still need help. I don't find this helpful. So obviously you can choose your language, and perhaps you can click on your preferred option. I don't know, email us or call us. I'm going to go with email us. So I can enter here my description to write all the problem I'm having in this moment. I could also upload some screenshots or kinda, I don't know, remember it's less than 8 megabytes, so be careful with that. And after you have wrote all your email, you can send it. Don't forget to add your email address because it is important to let your contact. And that's it. That's how you can contact Whizz customer care. Thanks for watching.